right. Boom shakalaka. Okay, Sean. Oh, you messaged me. Okay. How's your day going, Sean? Goals forestry. What do you think we're getting done today, Sean? You might be going to do something. Okay. Goals. We be able to play as other characters. That's the goal. I think that's gonna be really the only goal. Or if I can't figure that out, or work on options menu. That's I think what is gonna be happening today, but I really want to get this figured out. So we'll see. I need to start Unreal. Eventual pop up. There we go. I need to delete some of the stuff that I previously tried to just clean slate it. Okay, let's make sure it's over here. Okay. Okay. So what we're trying to do is to get, well, we gotta get these buttons to work, right? But what I want, so here's the problem, right? So we could do this, right? Move over here, save. Right, we could do that. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Figured it out with the help. People, over here. Cool. However, now I want to, so look at this. So right now I have, oh, that's messy. Here. I have these flip books. Maybe it's because of the completed thing. I don't know. I have these flip books set as like beside an idol, right? And I don't want to have to make a new one of these for each character, right? Like each playable character. So what I'm thinking I can do is set it that so that I don't, that I'd have like variables go into it. Like I'll have these set as like current run, current idle, stuff like that. I'm trying to do that through the game instance with this flipbook reference. However, it's not really working for me. I don't know if it's actor, I don't know if it's component. But I've tried this. It's not going well. So I think I want to get rid of this for now. And then just get rid of it completely. Variables currently used, do you want to read? Yes, I do. just to restart this. Pause menu shouldn't. It does have it actually. I don't want current idle. So I need to get rid of that on save game. On details, this. I'll click on this. Let me click on this. What's going on? Okay, I had to right click, but that's fine. Let me get rid of this. Should get rid of this. This gets gone. This should be fine. Pause menu. Current idle. I want that gone. Did that need to be connected somewhere? I don't think so. This needs to be updated because I don't need that to be have current idle on it. Okay, so let's just do this. What is this? Yeah, so I have an error. So I need to get rid of that. Okay, so save details. I should pull it off of here. Save details. Sorry, and then I'm gonna. Did I get rid of the wrong thing? No. Hello? Save game. I've been here for a little bit, Chase. For a little bit. What's happening here? I got rid of the wrong thing. This needs to be player position. I guess Control Z, this whole thing. Is that a thing? Okay, here we are. This stays, this goes. This goes. This needs to be a different thing. I don't even need that actually. This looks fine. Pause menu. File? Cardinal, yeah, you're not even, I don't know what you're doing there. Okay. You don't need to be anything. File. Okay. Go kiss a turtle. Why would I go kiss a turtle? Save select. Okay. Don't need this. Don't need this. I'm eventually just gonna re-add all of this. But as of right now, I'm gonna get rid of it all because something's wrong with it. Okay, game instance. Okay, this should be fine. No, not this. This. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. This doesn't need to be anything. It's not relevant anymore. Okay. Got a match on plenty of. Okay. How's that going? It's not what I thought I was gonna read when I looked over. But we love that for you. should still run. That's the hope. New. Run all the way left. Save. Should be on the left. Okay, cool. Cool. GQ and likes anime. We love that for you, Jace. Okay. Now, let's walk through this for a second. Where's my little notepad thing? Okay. Get rid of that. And if we ever want to say we see goals, it's a thing. Okay, so I want to, in the game instance, need current flipbooks, right? So it'll be like the idle, run, jump, slide, and swing. Right? I need those. Right, I take that from the game instance. Okay, so then on clicking new game should set current flipbooks, right? Actually, so let me get game instance. Cast to game instance. I should be able to set the current flipbooks. All right, again, that's going to be. That's just not the right way. It's dark in my room. I can't type. It's just going to be idle, run, jump, slide, and swing. I know I added an extra space, but I don't care. Okay. So that should be fine. So I'm clicking again. Should set them. Okay. I'm clicking load game. Actually should set those. Actually, let me. On clicking save game. Should get game instance. I need cast to game instance because I just have to every time. Set I don't know if I need to do it on save. Set flipbooks in save details. I don't think I need to actually, because I think when I load, I have to do that check anyway. Probably not needed. Okay, then on clicking load game, I need to get game instance, cast to game instance, and then set current flipbooks. Again, idle, run, jump, slide, and swing. In my head, this is what matters. And current flipbooks would be like I'd have to have each one of these be its own thing. I could be current idle, current run, etc. Right. Probably for a few hours. Probably be done around 9 my time. Poor game. I mean, if this takes a little bit longer, like if I'm making leeway or headway on this, and I think last time I did till about 9:45, 10 o'clock on last Friday. But in my head, this is the logic, right? You gotta lay down. I get that. Go sleep. Go night night. Because it's kind of how we have player position, right? Because when we have the position on where to save, we have new game, kind of sets it to 0, sets to middle. Actually, it doesn't really do anything. It just does normal. But so we have the save game. So on position, the save game, it gets current transform. It's called player position or current position on mine, but it's a transform thing. Okay, current transform. Actually, cat. So it gets game instance cast to game instance gets current transform and it sets. Actually, I was just gonna say sets current transform sets current transform. Then load game gets game instance cast to game instance gets current transform and sets position on spawn. That's how this works, right? And so load game, this would also set flipbooks on spawn, but like this is same thing. Yeah, same situation. I don't see why this line of logic wouldn't work here. Right? So let's do it. Let's run it. Okay, so I wish I could like set this. It would just take too much of the space though. So it's on my left monitor right now, but so be it. Okay. So I need to on new game save select, right? So on new game, new percent save, I need this, right? Game instance. Cast to it. It sets the player position. Actually, it sets the new game. Oh, because it doesn't need the player position. Right? Or it just says it's new game because on our load, here, we test to see if it's a new game. And if it isn't a new game, then it moves it. But if it's a new game, it just does it normally. Which is fine. That is actually maybe my problem is that I've been because it never called that. Maybe what I had would have worked, but I had it coming out here because I was only doing it for load games. Oh, if that's the case. Okay, but either way, we need to go to game instance. That's something different that I don't need right now. New variable. Current. I'm just gonna do the idle because that's where you start off in current idle. And that needs to be a flipbook. I don't know what the difference between flipbook and flipbook component is though. Flip book component. Select a location. I'm just trying to see what. Source flipbook. Can I set that? Let's find out. Okay. Source flip. Okay, so I need a. From this game instance, I need this, which is current idle source. This is not, I need it. Flip book component compile. Why did I just do that? Link right there. Source. See, it doesn't even have flip book. Get flip book. I want to print. I just want to see what it says it is. So let's put a break. How do I? I don't remember how to do this. I had breakpoint. I don't see that here. Okay, set flipbook. Can I get a breakpoint here? Yeah, add breakpoint. That's because I don't have a current idle set at all, right? Wait, that's setting on. Respect that. I was trying to get it set to something because I don't have it set up to something. Yeah, no, it doesn't have anything on that. I guess when I click new, I want to set. So current. I want to set current idle. Can I move this? Set new position. Pause menu. I don't care for this right now. Why can't I? I just want it to be any of the idols that isn't Poseidon. Okay, alright, so what do we have here? Unknown. Start it, play, no. See, and there's nobody's here. So I move. Yeah, no. But I have it set to Athena and it doesn't move. Oh, because nothing's even... Yeah. Okay, yep, this goes. Idle. Maybe no entries match the... It's gonna break, right? Okay. Okay, for the current idol. See, this doesn't matter to me. Like, it doesn't matter because me putting it in the save select stuff is the only thing that would change. Right? Because I don't need it to know. Because if I'm clicking, like, here, right? If I'm clicking this, like, I don't care where they are. I'm setting it to Poseidon or whatever is yours, you know? So why doesn't this work? This gets it. Do I need to have a default for this? Okay, I can't have a default, which feels weird. Like, what if I can have a default on this? Can have a default on anything. I like the component. Because I don't want to have a different one of these for each person. This new Poseidon game, it's just gonna be a new game, so that doesn't really matter. I need to fix that too. I just don't know. This does not make sense at all why this won't work. But the other one did. I guess I just don't know if working with flipbooks is different. I don't know. This one's just so ugly compared to the rest. Do I need this? I guess I just have a bunch of bullion sitting there. I don't know if that's right. If I did it on here. I guess I don't need to do anything here, except for when this starts, it automatically. Let's try that. Yeah, let's just Poseidon. Save. Yeah, I don't know why. I do like Pickle Sean. Indeed. I just feel like there's gotta be a different way to do this. Paper flip book. Is that it? Is that all I was supposed to be done? No, that's still Poseidon. Yes, I know. Okay. Okay, this does not matter right now. It's on the save select that this matters. You know what I mean? Like, I'm okay with any of the idols. Like, do any of them work? Ares. At one point, I got it to be a different one, but I don't know how. I don't know what this is saying to me. What's upset? Location doesn't matter to me. Once I figure out the save, like doing it here, it should be just copy and paste it on there. Okay, let me try to fix whatever's happening and get it out. Get the current idle out. This doesn't matter right now. Should fix the error or the warning, whatever. Yeah, okay. Okay, flip book. Return type's Boolean. Okay. So like this here. No. Returns Boolean. Current idle. Set flipbook. See if this is messing up. Set flipbook. I don't know what I want it to be. Can I just pop? No. See if this isn't where I'd be setting it. Like, I don't think this matters. I think this would be a get. It's like, I don't think this matters at all. Like, I don't think this is where I'd be setting it. Except for I'd have to. I'd want it to be in this. Sprite. Get sprite. I guess get flipbook. Sure. No, because this would be setting it here. I need this backwards almost. Does the other one flip? Did. I have no idea. I'm so confused, to be honest. I would just need can this go in here? Theoretically, this. Okay. And then I should set current idle. When I click save select, I should set current idle here. Current. Okay. How do I set it to an actual sprite? Maybe because I had to make this. This doesn't matter. Current idle. Flip book. Should run this. Do nothing. Don't like that. Why? Okay. I just don't need to get it from there because I need it to be new here. Oh, dude, I have no idea. Renew. Pose idle. Let's do this as a fifth. Why can't I do a default flipbook here? Is this not a thing? Why can't I do that? Okay, so flip book. What if I made this? Change variable type. Don't know why I clicked there. Like, why can't I have a default value there? Compile. Okay, hold on. We're cooking with fire. Okay, beside that. this goes into it, we're chilling. But why? If I make this flip book, just paper flip book, and not a component, compile. Say select. Compile this. It should go in here. Compile. Now theoretically, when I go to, I should make this something else for now. Let's go with Aries. I just want to see if it works. No, that's not Aries. Like at all, that's not Aries. Why is my phone going off like this? Okay. I think we have a decent idea right now. Okay, so boom. That's setting current idle to this. Because this is wrong. Current idle. Okay. Get flip. Why can't I get flip up there? What can I do here? Get. Okay, so I can set, dude, okay. Okay, so I just delete this, delete this. This is the exact same thing that I was trying to plug it into, but that's, you know what, it's fine. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Play. Aries. Okay. We have life. We have life. Right? So boom. Cool. Now. We have life. So what if I changed, so all these that say Poseidon idle, like this, right? What if get game instance? Do I have to cast to it, or can I just do current? Yeah, cast to game instance P. Right, and I should just be able to do it quick, like that. Do I really need to do cast to game instance P? So this way, when I move left and right and I stop, I'm hopefully able to get the right current idle, and boom. Okay, so when I move left and right, oh, this is gonna be huge. Okay. I think I did it. I think I did exactly what I need to. It's gonna look messy for a second, but oh, this is huge. This is big. Okay, so now, theoretically, if I change. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do this on every one of them, but that's okay. Sudden jump. Sudden idle, yeah, I'm just gonna have to. But on these two, whenever these happen, I should go. Boom, boom. Okay. So I think I'm good. I won't have to change. Okay, so I need to change all this. Okay, game instance. I need current idle, current run, run. Okay. Current jump, current swing, current slide. I think that's all of them that I have currently. Now here, oh, there's so much to do on this one. Okay. So much to do. I'm basically going to be copying and pasting a lot of this now. And then slot name, this will be pose save, pose save. So for right now, let me just make sure I go through and do all that I need to. This means nothing to me actually. Hold on, let me. This one doesn't change right now. Save game, this does. Save display location. Oh. Here might be difficult. So here, what I think I need to do. Let me compile that for a second. I think here. What I need to do is I'll branch out here, pose, save. Like I'm gonna have branches for like which one it is. Put it as one word, right? Pose, save. I don't know if I put it as one word. I need to double check. Yeah, I did. So now everything should still work. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Save game, boom, boom. Play the game. I'm invisible. Why am I invisible? Why am I invisible? Why am I invisible? Because if I do new, I'm still visible. Okay. Oh, because I don't have anything set to this. Okay. That makes sense because I don't have anything set to it. So I need to come here. So I go target current idle, set flipbook. Yeah. Here. Can do it here. Doesn't really matter, right? Current idle set flipbook. Why can't I set flipbook? Set Hello? Oh no, I just need to set current idle. And then I need to pose idle. I think that's it. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. We have life. This is about to get ugly though. I'm not gonna lie. Because basically, you copy all these for each one of those. I need to set a bunch of stuff. Let's do them all for Poseidon and then copy. That's what's gonna have to happen here. Let's just make this. We're gonna have to make this way cleaner at some point, so might as well do it now, right? Okay, this is the last one. Actually, that's the one I want. Okay. Break this link. Make another one here. I'll be setting a lot. Okay, so I need to current set current jump, set current run. Okay. I don't know if this is the best way to be doing this, but it is. Set current slide. Set current swing. I think that's all of them. We got jump, run. Okay. Now I'm gonna want some more distance between them, but okay. I'm not gonna lie, this is taking a lot to figure out, but I'm very happy that I'm figuring it out right now. Okay, so now we got pose, run, pose, jump, pose, swing, pose, slide. Okay, and just to be safe, I'm gonna create a new one and test. Like, I'm not actually, this needs to be significantly longer. Actually, not really significantly, but long enough. Because I'm gonna have each one of these needs its own space. So go here. Then I'll wait to move this. Because I want current swing, post swing. I'm gonna set them all to Aries right now. Just to see. Right. To make sure, like, when I press new game, but if I load game, it shouldn't do that. But I'm double checking. I mean, it will, like, because I set it up for the current one. But as right now, I want to make sure that it does all these. Suppose slide, Aries. Can slide. This is the run. Run. And that's why I'll have it all set up for all of them to work too. Okay, the jump. Aries. Jump. I don't know, I typed Aries, there was just right there. And this way I can just kind of copy and paste it all. And just switch up the variables ever so slightly. And it'll all be done, so we're actually gonna get this done today. I was not expecting to, I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting to have to swap plans. I wasn't expecting to be able to figure this out. And honestly, I feel like I did the exact same thing that I've been doing, but different somehow. Okay, so now play. I load the game. Cool, right? But I move and then all this stuff. When I play and do a new game, oh, because I don't have it actually set on the, so stupid. Do I go and do that? I should, right? I'm just gonna test it on the left to right one. So I have this game instance. This is gonna look very not good, but this is fine. Okay. Current slide. No, I want to get current slide. Sorry. Current slide. This should go in here. Then we do current run. This should go into here. Okay. Now I'm just gonna test this out. Play, new. Yep. This should, yep, okay. Okay, yeah, I have it set up going right. It's going right. Now I just need to put all the right things into it. This is gonna look messy. I'm gonna fix that probably towards the end of the track after I'm done with everything. But yeah, we're good. We're feeling good. Feeling good about this. Feeling really good about this. So I want to get game instance. Cast to game instance BP. I want to run this through here. Oh, we'll just go into here. Right, because the rest of this logic stays. Okay. And now I just get current jump. That's what this is. And then current idle. Current idle. And now when I jump, it should work still. No, this doesn't really matter. Yep, the only thing that should be yep. Okay, cool. And then when I swing, I should test the swing real quick. Swing should be different. Cool. Okay, because I don't have that done yet. Actually, why don't I have that done yet? That was on a new game, right? Jump, run, slide, swing, post swing. What do I have as this swing? Area swing. Oh, I just don't have it set. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. Okay, now we do same thing here basically. We have get game instance. Cast to game instance BP. Run bop. Bop. Then what we want, slide, current slide, that will run into here, current idle, current idle, and that will run into here. And now play, new journey, bop, 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 play, load journey. I don't think I have this. I have that different because I don't have that done yet on the other one, but I will. I'll get that all going. Same thing, but it's just for swinging. Wild email. Chase actually going real. We broke through. We had to break through. We know how to do it, and now everything's gonna get really messy and looking very ugly. But after it looks very ugly, I can fix it all. And like, you see this? This is a hellscape. But really, I want it to look closer to actually here. This one's perfect because I haven't messed with this one today yet, but I'm about to mess with it, and it's about to get ugly again. However, after it's all ugly and I do it all and I test it all and it's working, I can make it look pretty. That's kind of the goal. Get game instance. You like it for its imperfections? Yeah, well, I don't currently. Actually, I do. I lied. Game instance. I'm happy with the progress we made today. I was struggling with this for a couple days, and here we are. Current swing. So we're kind of chilling on that, and then current idle, right? It's the only other one I need to get. Current idle. Okay. Then we compile. Okay, now on save select, this load. Now we gotta do all these. It's like we're just setting current idle. Now I gotta set all of them. I do want to switch these to actual Poseidon though. Idle. Run. Jump. Swing. Slide. But I have to do this for every single one of these people. and then it'll be fine. And then I got to, so I'm gonna have to create this and this for each one. So there'll be 8 more of these, but I can just copy and paste and then change these variables. And change, yeah, that's it. Actually, I need to change these variables. And then also these variables right here. But I also need to then, okay, so I actually have a lot I can do with this. I don't remember what platform I'm on. An upgraded version. Let's see, you made it on Scratch, right? Is what you're doing? Yeah, whatever happened to your course? You said, you told me, I guess. I might have forgot you had to pay, and you're like, no, I'm not paying. I haven't even done it or something like that. And this should be fun. Actually, I need to branch because this pause menu with where it saves needs to change. Or I need to branch here. I guess so. What I'm gonna need to do too is when I click this, I'm gonna have to set current character. But that's okay. I'm getting ahead of myself though. I get that. I get that. Okay, now I want to, so I want current, that's current idle. I'm gonna go set current jump. Actually, I can just break it off of this. That's stupid of me. Break this link. Do it here. Got that back, and now that we love that. It's huge for us. Set current idle jump run. Set current idle jump run slide. Set current idle jump run slide swing. No, why not any more chiropractic appointments? Is it not working? Okay, I need to spread this out significantly more. What does that mean? You graduated from the chiropractor? He said I shouldn't come back if the headaches return. You can always go back for maintenance, but I get what he's saying. I'm a fan of going for maintenance like once every, few months. I'm not against that. You know what I mean? Let's jump. I am going to make this look pretty before I copy and paste it, but now everything should be good in Poseidon. Okay, something broke. Something broke. Play new journey. Okay, here we go. We broke something. We broke something. Bum ba da bum 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 bum. What did we break? Fudge. So I'm probably just, yeah. Shit, we broke something. Is everything compiled? It is. No. Shiza. Is it just like a separate? It's just not doing anything. Okay, I'm so confused. Okay, okay, hold on. Let's change pose idle. Idle. Ares idle. Compile. Play. New game. Ares idle. Okay. Now let's go put that back in. Quit game. Did not no, it didn't tell me because so what was happening is what I'm guessing. So here it's doing. I'm not gonna say it's doing a check, but it's setting this to a new flipbook, right? And I think the problem is if it's not a new flipbook, this returns false, right? Because I'm just checking to see if this worked, which so I can get rid of this in a second, right? But this was returning false, which would make quit the game, right? So if it is a new flipbook, it's fine, but I don't need it. Like this doesn't mean anything to me, right? Like I'm okay with this being false if it's the reason it is false is because my main like hold on, not the start menu map, but like my original sprite, like the sprite that's the default for the player character that I have set is Poseidon Idle, right? So if it's not changing it from Poseidon Idle, like if it's changing it from Poseidon Idle, okay, it's not changing it to a new flipbook, right? So that would return false, and so that's what's happening. Which I don't care if it's changing it from that. That's just a coverall for me. You know what I mean? So now I should be able to go back here, and like it will play just the same. Right, see, like this doesn't change anything for me at all, which is fine. So it's not really. It wasn't an error. It was a something that I put in that fucked it. So now, basically, what I do here is I take these and I copy and paste them a bunch of times, right? And and then I just change these to different because I needed this for each person, right? Because the concept of the game, right, is gonna be like it's gonna be like an RPG, right? It's gonna be a story, but you can choose to play as a demigod of Zeus, a demigod of Poseidon, Hades, Ares, or Athena, right? That's the premise. And maybe more. I'll add more later, but and this is all getting cleaned up, and I'll get different sprites and like custom sprites and stuff like that. And I want to have like a boy and a girl, but this is just a free asset that I found online, so I'm using these for now. I just color changing them depending on the thing. So like these don't work, right? Because I haven't set them yet, but I should be able to. Oh, journey still works, right? Everything's good, right? Bop, 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 bop. Cool. So now, I'm gonna make this pretty before I do it. This is pretty enough, but I can change that. So now I basically just need to recreate these for all the others. Can I just add a folder into these variables? Is that a thing? Because like could really use a folder. you know, but that's just not how it's working apparently. It's not, they're not Poseidon, they're children of the gods. Right, like this child of Zeus, child of Poseidon, this is just why it says choose your lineage. Right. I could say choose your parent, but that's just what this says for now. Again, this is going to get cleaned up and look better, but this I just trying to get functionality of the game settled before I mess with assets. They could have the same mother, except for Athena. Technically, she'd have a father. I mean, her mother would be Athena, right? They're all going to have the same name, right? All the boys are going to have the same name as each other. The girls are going to have the same. Yeah, it's going to be characters, right? I'm not going to go, hey, what's their name? Like, no. This is going to be a character. Like how you don't get to choose, like, Link's name or Kratos' name, or... That's the only two games I can think of off the top of my head. In Hades, you don't get to choose that character's name, right? But so here, this is all ugly, but I'll clean that up eventually. It's actually not as ugly as I thought it would turn out to be. So here is what matters, though. I need to keep making variables. So keep adding variables. So I'm gonna do Zeus next. I'll test Zeus. Zeus idle. Add variable. Okay, is there like a quick button for that? Add variable. Zeus run. Zeus jump. Zeus swing. Zeus jump, swing, slide. Right, that should, I don't like that. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, cool. Now Zeus idle. I need to compile before I set the defaults. Zeus idle should be idle. Zeus run should be run. Zeus jump should be jump. Zeus swing. Zeus slide should be, guess what? Slide. Zeus. Okay. Theoretically, that's good now. Now, I should be able to kind of do this. Control C, okay, but let's go here for a second. Zeus, this button, I want this button. Let me hit with the on clicked. Okay, I don't like that it's down there. I'm gonna put it up here. Can you guys just go away? I just want these away. I could probably delete those, but boom, that could Control V. Go here. Here we go, boop. Now, I should be able to replace this with, instead of Poseidon jump, we go Zeus jump. Right? Instead of Poseidon run, we go Zeus run. Instead of Poseidon slide, we go Zeus slide. Instead of Poseidon swing, we go Zeus swing. And instead of Poseidon idle, we go Zeus idle. Now, theoretically, I press play, and I press new journey, and there it's all Zeus. Yeah. And now I just do the same thing with this. I think I want to go. I don't know if I should go through all the saves first. I could do saves and loads, or if I should do each character, solo dolo kind of thing. let's comment this out and do creates new Zeus. Save. Boom. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna do I'm gonna do all the saves first. Are you kidding me? How are you not part of... I don't care. You know what? I don't care. I actually know why, and it's my fault, so I'm not gonna say anything. But this should make it, so this should be all good. This should make it fairly good and simple for me, to be honest. Let me check something. Okay, we're good. So I'm gonna go through all these really quick, and then I'll get that done. You know, this is huge though. Getting all this taken care of, and then I gotta do the save. So I'm just gonna put, I'm gonna have another thing on these that sets it to a. Actually, I should finish out Zeus with a load and save. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I need to work on the multi-save thing. Which should be, I should do these first. Kind of in a catch-22 now. The load, I don't know if it's gonna work, right? Cause I need to. All right, shit, I'm gonna go have fun, go to bed, enjoy your sleep. It's important, Tante. Then here, I think what how do I need to get this from the save stuff, right? How do I get the player position? I need the save game PPs where I'm gonna have to. So that's fine. It's really just the actual pause menu where I need to branch out and save it as a different thing. This will be different. I'm gonna have to branch and have different game slots. Can I have that? Which should be pretty simple. I can get rid of this because that doesn't matter right now because that was just a test. It should be fine. I want to break this though. Don't want to break that. Don't know why it looks like this. Okay. That's fine. The save select's what I need to work on. Okay. Because the load should be okay. Because I can keep that until I figure out the save. Yeah, let's do this. Let me go through all these real quick. Add variable. Let's go with the theme. Hades next, I guess. Hades. Idle. Variable. Hades. Run. Variable Hades jump. Variable Hades swing. Variable Hades slide. Let's compile. Idle. Hades. run, Hades, jump, Hades, swing, Hades, slide, Hades. Oh, that's spelled wrong. Compile. It's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna enter all these first because it's just Ares and Athena left. So I'm just gonna do those real quick. New variable. Let's go Ares idle. Variable Ares run. Variable Ares jump. Ares swing, Ares slide. Okay. Compile. Actually, no, let's just keep doing. Add variable Athena idle. Add variable Athena run. Add variable Athena jump. Add variable Athena swing. Add variable Athena slide. Compile. Did all of Hades. Okay, so Ares idle. Idle. Ares. Run. Ares. Jump. Ares. Swing. Ares, slide, Ares, idle, Athena, run, Athena, jump, Athena, swing, Athena, slide, Athena. Okay. Now I can do designer new journey. Unclicked. Like, what is this? Where is it placing these? You know what I mean? I think I just want to set a new game too. I don't really care for no unclicked. Dude, what is happening? Okay, Control V. Then one last one here. I want this unclicked because it just always goes below the last thing. This is gonna bother me. I need to set these to be part of the comment. Okay. Now, this would be Hades. Hades jump. Got Poseidon run. So this would be Hades run. Hades. Hades swing. Hades idol. Okay. It's Ares. That one's Ares jump. Ares run. Ares slide. Ares swing. Ares idol. Okay. This is Athena. So this one's Athena jump. Athena run. Athena slide. Athena swing. This one's Athena idol. Compile. Now all the new stuff should work. This should be creates new Hades save. Creates new Ares save. Oh, do I don't know. Creates new Athena save. Okay, compile. Run. Play. New. All Zeus. Okay. Play. Hades. All Hades. Play. All Ares. Play. All Athena. Oh, that's great. We love that. It's huge for us. Okay. We are going to have to set current. I think we're going to need to get current character. Why can't I move this? Please let me move this. Thank you. It's like, why is it not letting me? Boop. Boop. Okay. Now what I think we have to do is we have to set the current character. Right, because these loads have I guess here, let me try out the load function. New journey. I want to sit here, save, right? Play. That's interesting. Did I fuck up my load? No. Okay, so we go here, play, new journey with Poseidon. Go boom. Save game. Cool. Play. Load journey. Fuck. Okay. What did we fuck up? Post save, post save. Okay. Slot name, post save. Fuck. What is going on here? Save game SVP. Oh, that's because of this. New journey. Save. Play. Load. Cool. Play. What I'm interested to see. So right now I'll go far right. Because we saw that was on the left. Save. Because right now it's saving to the same thing as this, right? Yeah. Like it's saving the same information to all of them. Okay. This is still just a mess. This is fine. Yeah, it should be fine. Because it's the load that's gonna matter. It's this. So basically so this is basically what it's gonna be for all of them, except for again, same things here. Which I think I'm gonna, cause this all back end is the same as this back end, so I'm just gonna copy off this and then do it that way. Which is fine. But I think when I save the actual pause menu, I think I need to do a branch here. Like here. I need to take this. Is there like a switch case thing? Is that a thing? Case. That's case. Switch. So if there's a case thing, I guess I'm just gonna do a crazy amount of ifs. Because right now I can get them all to work fine. I can get them all to save fine too, but to the same one. Actually, I can get them to save to the same different one with this. I'm just gonna need what's happening here. Oh, what? Okay, you know what? It's actually not bad. I gotta clean all these up. It's gonna bother me. But okay. Because these save details these are the same for all of them right now. Right? Like here's where I need to change what game slot it goes to. Let me reach out to a Discord right now. Okay. I'm working with blueprints and I'm wondering if is like a switch case thing could use instead of having 5 branches. Let's see. I mean, I can build it as if, but we'll see if somebody can get back to me. Time. As of right now, this has been successful. 2 hours. Been pretty good. I guess for what I wanted to get done. Now I just gotta figure out the sit, because if there's a switch, I guess, I had the Unreal and the documentation up. Where is it at? You. Because I want to see like an alternative to branches, because I just don't want to have to nest. What is happening here? Unreal Engine documentation. Because I don't want to have to switch case. That's what it's called in like SQL and like Python and stuff like that. Switch case. Is that a thing? Similar to a C switch statement because it evaluates the conditions. Build graphs. Define it. Finds user option that could be set to the command line. No. I just want to see how you set it. Because if this is a thing, I guess I could just look at what it looks like, right? Is there just build graph? Okay. Nope. Writing build graph scripts. Okay, tasks. If you want to learn how to write your own, it helps to know various parts. Going to make. I just want a switch case. Is that really that hard? I guess branching is not that hard, but it just feels like it would take longer and look uglier, to be honest. Okay, I'm just about to branch it. This is going to take 7 years, but it's fine. Okay. So what I want is a variable called current character. That's what I need, right? So game instance. I am going to want a new variable called current character. I want it to be Boolean. That's just not how you spell character. I'm gonna set it to a Boolean, right? Oh, hold on. Okay, how do I want to do this? I guess instead, I will want Boolean. Well, I want it to be like post file, right? Zeus file. I just feel like there's definitely a better way of doing this, and I just don't know it. But this is how this is gonna work. It's not gonna be efficient, but it's gonna work, right? I want them. This is default should all be false, right? Okay. So when I'm here, I should be able to, this is Zeus, so Zeus, set Zeus file to be true. Right. I'm just gonna test it with just the Zeus for now. And then here, just give me this for now. Control C, and then designer. Load journey is what I want. Give me an on click. And this will be Zeus, lowercase Zeus, save. To be Zeus, save. And then I want the end here. Control C. And that should be fine. Okay, Zeus save. All right. That should be all I need to do there. Now here though, this is fine. Save this menu. That's where I need to change something. So you go branch. So I just want let's go Zeus save on true, and we're gonna want Zeus do I have to get that from Zeus? Because if this is true, do I have to have one of these for all of them? I think so. Actually, I think I can do this. Control C, Control V. So I'm gonna have this going there too, right? Yeah. False. Huzzah. And this will be post save. I think this works. Compile. Save select though. I do want Zeus file. That's a load. I want it up here. Oh, I do have it up here too. I think this would just work. New journey. Boom. Save game. Okay. Play. New journey. Poseidon should be left. Zeus should... What? Okay. Pause menu. This has never been called. We love that. That's featuring. Okay. Play. New. I'm just going to redo everything. Far right for Zeus. Far left for Poseidon. Why is this not? Okay. Oh. Play. New save phone. Save. Oh, because I could only have one. I don't need them both. I mean, this branch isn't really necessary. It was just more of a test branch. That's just risky, but we're going to run it anyway. Gonna run it anyway. But I do see what I did wrong there. Save game. Cool. Play. Poseidon. Save game. Play. Load journey. Far right. Play. Load journey. Far left. Okay. I think we're good on that. Then we just need a bunch of branches. I think that's, yeah. Then we go pose file. Yeah, it's definitely how it'd have to go. Which actually isn't the worst. I mean, it is pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. But at least I just need these. Here we do another branch. This one would be pose file. Branch. And then this one would, this is gonna look ugly. This one would be Hades file. Branch. There's gotta be a better way of doing this. Aries file. And Athena file. Save game to slot. Hades, save. Save game to slot. Ares, save. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to make this look better somehow. Save game to slot. Athena, save. Okay. Checking all of these. Branch, 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 branch. Okay. This should be done. This is fine. This is what needs to be changed now. Pose file. Is this the only place? I think this is the only place I need to change stuff. Hades file. I don't know if that's the case actually, but I think this works. It's not the best way of doing this. For sure, there's got to be a fucking more like. It's just got to be a better way of doing this. But logically, this is what made sense to me. And I mean, as I learn more, I'm sure I'll figure that out. But for right now, this is it. Athena. Okay. Compile. Let's do all of this. For all of them, right? Let's see. Loads. Zeus. Save. And this I need to move over. Move this back. Pose file. Oh, I guess yeah, because that's how I start it. Yeah, if I load it that way, that way I can save. Actually, I've never tried. Let's do something real quick. New journey. Let's go over here. I'm so stupid. I didn't even save. New journey. Save game. Should be left. Cool. Save game. Okay. Just want to make sure that worked. I'm gonna do this all at the same time, so I'm gonna go get all the buttons. I guess can I just if I went like this, it's just not what I want. But if I load, oh, I can. There he is. Poseidon, then it goes Hades. I'm just gonna try to do it all the same. It's about the space you need. Then Athena. Okay. See, this new pose game is not the right name for us. Just rename, just new game. Compile. Hopefully, pause menu on this. Actually, I want it to be in here. Nope, save select. That just says new game, right? Okay, it does. I want from here to here. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay. Bop, bop, bop. Hades. Hades. Aries. Aries. It. Athena. Athena. Okay. No, it's not done yet because I need these now. When I did this on this. Okay, cool. Let's go Hades. I need from here. We'll see. From here. Control C. Control C. This should be everything now. I think. Can't imagine anything I've missed. So let's try it. Play. New Aries journey, right? And go far left. Save. And if I load it, it should be far left. Okay. New journey for you. I'm gonna go far right. Save. Load. Right where I am. Okay, actually now let me, so I did that one. Load again. Okay, cool. Play, new journey, go far right. I didn't save. Play, new journey. Actually, let me not save and see if I can click. We love that. That's huge. Okay. I'm gonna have these grayed out. I didn't save again. I'm so bad at that. Like just going to where I want. Save. Okay, why is this not saving? Okay. Let's figure that out. Pause menu. Why aren't you saving? Athena save. What is wrong with you? Athena file? Do I not have... Ah, not checked. Also means this isn't checked, right? Look at us. Okay, compile. Play. Load journey, doesn't do anything. Still, that's good. Save game. Play. Load journey. Oh, that's huge. Okay. That is basically all I can ask for. Like, I can't think of anything better than that right now. So what I needed. Let me see if I got an answer. I didn't get an answer on the switch case thing. That's okay. I've got it figured out with a bunch of ugliness. Okay, let's comment this out though. This should be load Hades save. Control C. Loads Hades save. Yeah, we're gonna, after I comment them all out, we're gonna move them. Loads Ares save. Control C. Not Control C, but yeah, loads Athena save. Okay, let's move you down. Why can't I move you? Why can't I move you? There we go. It's good enough. Okay. This is all. Can I like do this? I can. I don't want to, but. How do I just get rid of this comment? You. I just don't want it anymore. Just please don't delete everything. Okay, good. Okay. Compile and save. We're chilling. Hello. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry. Zizeth. Zizeth? This is my best guess. Tell me. Correct me if I'm wrong. Says that. Okay. You know, I was close-ish. How's your night going? Oh, okay, that's done. I need to make these pretty again. BRB, I respect that. Okay, let me move over here. This needs to. That's decent. Those look fine, I guess. I just don't even know what to do there. That's fine. Why does this one look different? How are these different? Swing sword. That's not spelled right. Swing sword animation. Okay. What does this do? That's just the pause menu. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I guess that looks fine. This is just a mess. That's a mess. What do I need to fix? This looks pretty clean. I don't like that. I like this one. Why are these so... I'm just gonna move these ones down. I think that's... Actually, no, I can move these ones up. I don't know how these guns got out of whack. Okay, I got that. Come over these ones. Try to make them look a little better and postpone having to deal with the mess on the other one. Okay, these ones are that's bothering me. Okay, those are all good. These are all the same height. Bad overlap here. This one's fine. Okay. Boom, boom. Let's move this out a little bit. Just want to be able to read them. Read them all. Pretty distinctly. Okay. That's pretty easy. This one needs to be fixed. Doesn't really need to be all that. Why is this one so far away? Okay. That's that. The rest of the stream might just be me organizing all this so it doesn't look funky, and so I don't want to say mess it up, but like the dirtier, I guess, less organized it is, the harder it's going to be for me to figure out what's going on if something breaks. Like before, I couldn't figure out, I guess it was between streams, but I couldn't figure out what was breaking it and not working, and then because it was just all a complete mess. Like this one looks, I don't really like this, but I've seen worse things than this. I've done worse than that. So that's what matters. These are all clean. Okay, cool. Compile. That's done. That's gonna be the last thing I do. Graph. This, yeah, I mean, these are, okay, how does this look bad? Like, there's barely anything on this. It's not lined up. And this is the simplest node I could have. Why don't these line up? I don't care. I mean, I do care, but is this really all I have on the start menu? Oh, because I don't have the options thing, so this is gonna get uglier. But that's fine. Let's clean this up a little bit. Why can't I just, thank you. Okay. It's good enough. I can move this a little bit over. This can go here. Okay. This can go here. Here. That's going to always be this, because it's just deals with the mouse cursor. This is always going to be this. Exits again is going to be fine. I should probably move this up here, because that's just overarching, and then in between this I'll do the options menu, but for now, that's it. This, nothing's changed on it in a while. I don't know why it's still open, to be honest. Game mode, this, done with that. That is probably the next thing I need. So this, let's make this clean, because I have no idea what's going on here, to be honest. And I do know, but it's pretty ugly. Okay. This is like just slightly above. This is what I want changed. I don't mind you splitting here. I don't mind that. I don't mind this. I don't mind this. I can stagger them a bit to make them line up, I guess. That. Could just do this and make it so much easier on myself. Okay, now these. Okay, I know this goes into all of them, so I just break all links. Break it. Okay. I feel like I'm breaking everything right now, but this feels like the thing to do. It feels like I should go here. And then do it this way. Boom. Drop that down. This just did not look any better. That's better, I guess. That's fine with me. I could just move everything left, but that's okay. 70 BP. I should not have to change this anymore. I mean, I will, but as of right now, this looks. I've seen worse. I think. Oh my lord. Okay. How do I make this look better? It doesn't look bad, but I mean, it does look bad, but it's at least readable. It's not as readable as this though. Do I try to fix this? That's the question. How do I even start? Is the second question about that. Line this up here. Like these being lined up. Okay. Don't mind this section of it. This section's fine. Then you get down here. Because none of this looks good. Okay. Sean, yeah, this is all kind of... It's ugly, but it works, Sean, you know? And that's what matters at the end of it. Like, I can play all the characters now. You want to be attributes? Okay, I get that. It's all good. I can just have a normal conversation in chat if you really want to while I'm doing this. I'm enjoying learning this too, I'm not gonna lie. I'm having a good time. Is it going well? I don't know. I do not know. I mean, everything's just gonna be so far this way with the staircase. You know? Which I guess isn't the end of the world, but struggling as a horror learning, that is true. This is just ugly. I want to break this link. Bop. A little higher. Want this to go higher, which makes then turn this go higher. Turn this go higher. Theoretically, these should be staircasing too. What if I went like this? Then that gave me room to staircase these. Okay, I mean that's looks a little bit better. But I think these I just wish there was could have more of a straight line or like a cascading kind of thing at best, you know. But that is what it is right now. Okay, so that's fine for now. Game instance should have basically nothing in it, right? Okay, cool. So this is fine. This should actually all... No, eventually I'll have to get more stuff to put in there. Which is fine. Like the health and stuff like that I'll have to put in there. Because I don't want them to just be able to like save, right? And then come back in and have more health. So that feels cheap. This is fine. This is fine. I just look at this. Okay. These are... I've seen worse. When it comes to this, actually, so I can spread this out quite a bit more. Why does this look so much different? Okay, it's just I need that jump part. So let's get this all straightened away. This one should be pretty fine and dandy to do. Boop. Okay. I can do this all the way over here since I just don't need anything. I just higher. Okay, boom. Delay. Just don't know where else I could put this current jump thing. Those are just never gonna line up because it's coming out of the opposite. Here, let's see if I can't make this part look a little cleaner. Okay. I could also put game instance above jumping. It's also a possibility. Okay. This is always going to be a little lower. Why does it always do this? Okay, I guess we're going up. This, can I make this? I mean, it comes from there, so it's not really a thing I can do. Outside of like having another one of these all the way over there, but that feels wrong. Then there's this. Okay. I think my best possible strategy is like completely separating this. Why is this not included? Thank you. When this goes up, that needs to be included too. You know what I mean? And go kind of go in here with it. Not necessarily this high, but we'll see out at the end. Because I think, because these are just two separate things, and then let's have this run down the middle. You know? Take these branches high. Okay. And then this is sliding, it's just here. First put it like right there. And then this stuff just isn't pretty. I don't think there's a way to make this be pretty, to be honest. Oh, and like, just look at how ugly this is. So I want this set flipbooks to be together. And then this is just with this. But all these lines crossing, I mean, it being color coded is fine, right? So that helps. But not in the long run. You know what I mean? It doesn't really help in the long run. If we go here with this, here, what does this even go to? Okay. Yeah, it's actually not bad. I've seen worse, okay? I've seen worse. This jam is what's messing me. This whole thing's ugly too. Where do these go? These goes to the target. Break this link. That just did not go how I thought it was gonna go. This is basically cable management, and it's not going well at all. It just is not going well. I mean, unless I break this link, right, and try to pull off of here, but that just is a different kind of ugly, right? I've made this in a separate spot too. Well, wait a minute. If I and I just cut here. I want it to not be this ugly. But we're gonna go a little further out. See if that helps. Because I, for the life of me, cannot. Okay, this whole part's ugly. Here is not that bad. I've had worse here. Right, like down here's whatever. These all lead up and they do their own thing up there. That's as far as they go. Which is, I mean, I could technically try to put all of this right in the middle. I mean, might as well try it, right? I can already tell you I hate it. Just go right here. And then, this is jumping. Go right here. Second, go boop. Boop. This is just getting messier and messier. Okay. There's that. This does not need to be all the way down here, though. Boom, straightish line. Boom, straightish line. I don't think I'm accomplishing the goal of making it less cluttered, if I'm being honest. Like, I think I just moved the clutter. On the bright side, I can tell what it says. Like, I think I should have just moved the clutter. How are not all of these in it? Okay. Nah. Everything moves with it, right? Okay, good. It's not the worst cable management I've ever seen. It's not. Oh, what the hell's happening here? Hold on. Okay. Maybe it is the worst cable management I've ever seen. Okay. I mean, those just aren't going to line up. Like, logistically, I'm not going to be able to make this line up with this and this, because this logistically cannot make that line up. Now here, I can kind of finagle this a little bit. Let's compile though. This I can kind of finagle. Let me go down here. Boop. Like, I don't know about all this, you know? I could go boop. Oh, I have an idea. I might be cooking. A Sprite. Yeah, I have an idea. I have an idea. I think. Because these could all go. So Sprite goes here. Like I can go, you know what I mean? Like, so that's at least somewhat better looking. I could probably get this dead on. I don't know, I'd have to bring everything else down. Okay, that's, you know what, this is... I have to bring this all the way up. This is fine. I'm not messing with that no more. Not messing with that anymore. Okay. Now, we have a couple options. Shit, I can't believe I got it to work in this little 3-hour window. To be honest with you, I was not expecting this. I mean, I love it, but really am shocked that I got it to work. Why is this so ugly? What's happening down here? You know what? That's good enough for me. I don't care. I can read it. I feel like I already went through these. Did I go through these and fix them? I went through this one and fixed it. These aren't that bad, to be honest. I've seen worse. That's just... Oh, Lord. I'm going to fix this, aren't I? Why doesn't it just line up? Okay, everything should be fine, though. Everything should work. Is there anything anything else I want to do tonight, right? Click play. I can click on any of them. I do want to see if, okay, so it's all saved. I want to see, I guess if, where does it save? Save selected. Because I do need to make sure that there is, I guess I checked with Athena. Fresh out the box, how do I check? Because I want them to be grayed out. Like, I want the load. Again, that's a visual thing I could do. I can mess with later, right? So I don't have to worry about that now. We're getting to the point where soon I'm gonna be adding enemies' health, hitboxes, get into some real fun stuff. See, look, nothing's set yet. That's just what you like to see. None of this is set yet. I love that. I'm really glad. I mean, we got a lot of stuff done tonight. We made it. We set up all of our multi-saves, right? And we set it up so that no matter what save you're going into, you have the right character, you have the right animations. That's it was a big hurdle for me to even get, like, the stuff going. I could worry about some, like, looks stuff, but not yet. I think what I want, let's set up goals for next stream. What do you guys think? We'll end it the last 10 minutes, Sean, setting up goals for next stream. What do you think? What do you think? And this did work. This my thought process through here worked. It did. Get the game instance, set currents, and it did. I just wasn't thinking about. So let's walk through why I didn't have it. So before, before I didn't have these, right? That's the biggest difference. And so it didn't have anything, like, it didn't have a way of setting it, right? Which I needed. So every time I was doing it, it wasn't working. Like, because it was like, hey, we're not setting to anything. What are you talking about? And then getting all these going. I was trying it with just idle, and that's when I finally got the idle to work. It did work. Like, I was able to basically copy and paste it for all of these, which is great. And then same thing with the files. I tested it with getting Zeus and Poseidon's files to work, like, individually. They do. And that's great. It's fantastic, to be honest. Now, basically, I need to make an options menu, but again, I don't know what all I'd put in the options menu. I could put, like, a clear off. I think in my pause menu, I want a return to main menu. You know what I mean? I think I'd want that. I don't know if I'd want that. I feel like I would, though. Like, return to main menu. Eventually, I'll have, like, a restart level. Nah, probably not. I'll just have them. I mean, it'd be very rare for them to get in a position where, like, just with the level design that I have in my mind, it'd be very rare for them to get stuck. And then you just reset the. Oh, I guess if you didn't save, I'll eventually have auto. I guess I can have autosave enabled. There's also I could kind of say like, hey, you're overwriting something. I can get that prompt figured out. Get the options menu. I don't know what all would go in the options menu. Like, I mean, audio, right? But I don't have any audio for the game yet, so I couldn't even test it. I mean, I can do dummy audio, but if I do that, I don't think that would be the best way to go about it in general, though. So I think this is the, yeah, so I mean, options menu, I think this is going to be a little bit later in the process. Because I just don't really know what all I want on the options menu, and I don't have sounds for these right now, so. What do I want to do next stream is the question. So let's figure that out. Because this is all. I kind of want these sprites to be moving. Is that an easy fix? Like, instead of this being an image, is there something better? Flip book. Cause it'd be cool if I could do like a flip book, you know what I mean? Instead of just image. Image. I'm sure there's a way. Draws image. Border box. I just have to assume that there is a way. Behavior. Yeah, I just don't think. I mean, I can figure that out later, but eventually I can have them moving when I do this. And this will look better and stuff like that. But I don't really want to worry about aesthetics yet. I want to get functionality going. I have these all done. You know, get the HP, get all that. Okay, let's run it. Let's see some Aries. Let's see all of it. Why don't I have? Hold on, wait a minute. I might have found something I can do. Cause like, if I play with Poseidon, yeah, I have both. Hello? Hold on. Poseidon swing. 24. I don't think I have this for all of them. Aries. 15, yeah. Okay. Athena. I guess I should check to see if I have. Okay, listen, I wouldn't have seen this until the end. Because there's a back part of it. There's... Oh, I was like, where the heck are all your things? But they're down here. And I think the rest of this stuff is all just like 15, so 12, 12, 12, 12. Okay, everything else is 12, so I just need to make sure everything else is 12. I think that's the default is 12, so that's the only one that was. But why was I on 15 on all of them? I don't know. All right, play, new journey, shift. I get the swing, hit the backswing. Cool. It doesn't really. I don't know hitbox wise if that's gonna matter, but all right. Let's set up goals for next stream. Goals for next. It's pretty tough because I'm gonna work on it before next stream. Let's go goals for next stream. Enemies. Enemies. No, let's go with hit points. HP. Enemies. What else? HP enemies. I could do current level of save, right? Because I have it currently setting like they're all on the same level, right? I can have it so like when they go between levels and they save, right? It saves that what level they're at. But I only have that one level made. That's just a test level, right? So I could do that. What else can I do? Because the hitbox would all be the same. I think. It should all be fine. I think this is going to be the goals for next stream. You know what I mean? Thank you, Sean. I appreciate it. I kind of forgot, I'm not gonna lie to you. I think this is it for the goals for next stream. I might try to figure this out. I'm gonna do a couple of these off stream, so I guess we'll see. We'll figure it out Wednesday. It should be the next stream, so maybe tomorrow. But figure it out next. We'll figure out Wednesday for what we want. We'll figure out the day of because I do work on it outside of the stream, so we shall see. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah. Just in time for the end of it. Just trying to think of what to get done for the next stream. I think as of right now, these are what I'm thinking. I'll probably do 1 or 2 of these tomorrow, but, with the next stream being Wednesday. So, one of these will happen on Wednesday for sure, but I just don't know what I want to do next, right? Because I got them all working and all their saves working and stuff like that, and I'm gonna try to save like the aesthetic thing because it just looks bad, right? So I'm gonna try to save the aesthetic thing for later, like after all the functionality is working. The sprite's gonna be different and stuff like that, so I don't know if the hitboxes and stuff really make sense to do either. But I feel like the code behind those should be fine. There's just be the adjustive size and stuff like that. So I think that's gonna be the next place to go is to do create and have enemies come in, be able to fight the enemies, and then after that, get the story going and level design going. I think that's the next steps. Hopefully, have this done in a few weeks. Done as in like the roughest part of it, and get people make sprites stuff like that. So that's gonna take a little bit. I might mess around. Yeah, I don't use C++. I know how to code a bit. I have like background in Java, stuff like that. Python, I know, but MySQL, but it doesn't really matter. C++ is pretty close to Java. I mean, there's differences in syntax and stuff like that, but I have mostly been just messing with the blueprint, mostly because I'm a pansy, and this feels like a good starting point because I don't know game design, right? Like I don't know game development. Like this would be the first game I make, and blueprints are feeling more like Legos to me right now, and I'm a fan of that feeling. Mostly because I keep getting stuck on these two. Even with it just being Legos. Two phrases. And two phrases. Your parents are God, and you have to save them. Is that? I don't know if that's. You have to save all the gods. I have a few phrases. You're a demigod child, right? You choose your lineage and stuff like that, right? You're a demigod child, and you go through to release all the current gods, all the Greek gods. They're all traps. Gotta get them out. It's about the simplest way to go about it. Like that can phrase it, I think. Yeah, Greek mythology game. Yeah. And I like it a lot, heavy into it. Been a big fan of it for a while, so, and I wanted to get into game development, so I'm like, hey, why not do something that I'll enjoy making, you know what I mean? Like just story-wise and stuff like that. So I think that's it, because I want to make it more like a, not just like one game, but like a line of games, right? And there's just, like when I was thinking about it in my head, like, writing down like how I want the story to play out, there was a bunch of different people that I thought of could be, like, the big bad, right? The big enemy at the end. There's just so many different people, and so I was like, well, I don't have to make one game, and so I wanted to make a couple 2D games out of it, like in a similar thing, and then move on to 3D, like as I progress and knowing and like in learning game development. That's kind of how I've been thinking about it. And tags on the title. I don't think I have any tags on the thing, like on like Twitch at all. So I appreciate it. I will put that stuff in there. Also, I'm about to launch my. Wait, love that. I guess I didn't even think about putting tags in like the Twitch stuff. I only have English there. Okay, I love that. That's fun. I'm just doing that in the content manager thing. Yeah, I have not done that at all. I'm looking at it right now. Here. Let's edit stream info. Oh, tags. Okay, I see. 85. That makes sense. Why did you play UE5 Learning? Yeah, I had no idea. Up to 10 tags. Game dev. Sure, let's go game dev. That sounds... Game development. Okay, cool. Same thing. I appreciate that. But that is going to do it for today's stream, you guys. I appreciate everyone who came out. Thank you guys for the follows. I appreciate it. I don't have those notifications set up, so I didn't see off the bat. But says it. Thank you for the follow. Chase was in here. Thank you for that. John, thank you for being here the whole stream. I appreciate it. And yeah, I should be back Wednesday for the next stream, about 6 Pacific. I will say said, I appreciate it. Thank you. And maybe help me. I might not be much up, but I'll try. But have a good one, you guys. Thank you.